When fire or water damage strikes your residential or commercial property, you shouldn't have to worry about emergency cleanup and repairs. Leave that to the experts at Total Restoration. Utilizing our state-of-the-art equipment and experienced technicians, we will thoroughly and effectively remediate your damaged property. Operating out of our 30,000 square foot facility, we can handle any project, large or small. Contact TRI and we will respond immediately to answer your questions, gather information, and dispatch a team. We work directly with your insurance company to ensure that all expenses are minimized so you can get back into your property immediately and regain a sense of normalcy. TRI is family-owned and operated with over 30 years of serving the Tri-State area. With over 50,000 jobs completed, working with Total Restoration will bring you the peace of mind that the job is done right and to your satisfaction. Call our 24-hour emergency service today at 516-333-5333 or visit us online at totalresto.com.